subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos. Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and in today's video...
Why don't you let me introduce myself? Yeah, this is really bad. Okay, start all over again.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari
And I'm Abhiru Bhattacharya.
and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you an amazing card trick, as well as you can call this a smartphone magic trick, because you're going to use a deck of cards and a smartphone to do this entire trick. And this is a very amazing trick. So let's jump into the performance. After that we're going to get into the tutorial. This week's Instagram feature goes to Rhythm Pandya. Please drop your Instagram username in the comment section so that I can update that in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now let's continue. Okay friends, so here is the performance. After that we're going to see how it's done. So you can see over here I have a deck of playing cards. You can see, right? All these cards are different. They are mixed up. You can shuffle these cards if you want.
Okay, I'm gonna just shuffle it, give it a good Hindu shuffle, right?
Alright, okay. Perfect.
I'm gonna give it a
Are you happy? Okay,
shuffle.
Cool.
No, I am not happy at all. I'm going to give it a pharaoh shuffle. I'm gonna do it like this. Now,
God bless the cards.
Give it a cut. I'm gonna give it another riffle shuffle. Okay, now I'm happy. No, I'm not happy. Let me do it like this. Okay. Now I'm
happy. Alright, done? Okay, cool. Now you can see that all these cards are different, right?
Yeah. Every single card is different, right? I just got every single card in this deck are different, right?
So you can just see every single card is different, right?
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna keep this card over here.
Okay.
I haven't shuffled it, right?
No.
Okay, just take the cards and cut it from anywhere in the center.
Okay, I
from anywhere.
Did it? Should I keep it over here?
Yeah. Perfect. Now put that card, this part,
okay.
Yes, like this on the top of like this.
Okay.
On the top of this part. Yeah. This is in a crisscross manner.
Like this. Okay,
yeah.
I did it.
Perfect. So so let's recall what you did. Okay, you shuffled the entire deck. I showed you all the cards were actually shuffled. After that you cut the deck from a certain point and then you kept this part, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the thing. You have selected a card, right?
Yeah.
Which is this one, right?
Right.
Perfect.
Right.
Now let's keep this
may
other.
I see this card?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just
seen
it. Can I show it to the camera? Just.
Yeah.
See it. Okay. This is a card. Right?
Perfect.
Okay.
You're happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
So I've kept all the other cards away.
Okay.
So there's no mistake.
Okay.
Now I had a prediction in my phone.
Okay.
And the prediction is actually
the 10 of hearts.
The 10
my
of
God,
hearts.
That's a really good trick. oh my God, that's good. That's good.
Okay, so friends, let's learn how you can do this trick.
Okay, I am eager to learn this one. Come on, do it.
Okay.
Show me.
Okay, friends. So here is this secret. What you're going to do is you're going to take a photo of any card. Okay. I took the photo of 10 of hearts and I'm going to just lock up my phone like this, and I'm going to keep this phone right over here. Okay. And the 10 of hearts is right now on the top in case the spectator does not shuffle the deck. But since he's actually shuffling the deck, the 10 of hearts is actually mixing inside somewhere, right? Okay. You can shuffle it out.
Okay.
Just shuffle.
Do one shuffle.
Perfect.
Just like this. Okay, it's shuffled.
Perfect. Okay. You can see right now that the 10 of hearts is in some position. Yeah. You can see over here, if I go through like this,
the 10 of hearts is over here.
Yeah, you can see that it is near about at the top, but we want this card to be on the top. So what we are going to do is, since it is near about at the top, it is very easy to control it to the top. What we are going to do is, we are going to show to our spectator that all the cards are different, and as we do that, we are actually finding the 10 of hearts. And as we find the 10 of hearts, what we are actually doing is, this is the 10 of hearts. We are actually using our other fingers to pull this card downwards, just like this. So while we go and spread like this, you can see the 10 of hearts is like this. And then we pull the 10 of hearts just like this downward, and then we spread all the other cards just like this.
Okay, just like a cull, right?
Yeah, just like a cull. So this is the 10 of hearts.
Or I can also take it from the middle and keep it on top just like this, right? If it is somewhere over here.
Yeah, you can also do it like that.
I just take a break over here and just do like this. It's also okay.
It's also okay, but the thing is, it looks like if the spectator sees you do that, then it would look like that you have cut the deck.
Have to do it.
Okay. So what you have done is actually you have controlled the 10 of hearts to the top of the deck.
Okay.
Now remember guys, I have actually taught you a tutorial few days ago, I think 1 or 2 days ago, about card forcing technique. And that technique is
the crisscross force, right? I did not see that video.
That is actually the card forcing technique, the crisscross force. That's the simplest way that you can force a card to your spectator, and actually the spectator forces the card himself. So at this point the 10 of hearts is on the top, and now we are going to do that crisscross force. If you know how to do that, if you want to know how to do that crisscross force, then link is given in the video description. Go and check it out. Also you can find the link in the cards. Now what we are going to do is we are going to ask the spectator to cut this pack just like this. Okay. Now as the spectator cuts the pack just like this, the 10 of hearts is over here. The spectator knows that this is the card that they are going to select. But as I ask the spectator to keep this rest of the cards over here on the top like this, then what happens, you know what? After I talk to you for a certain moment, you know, for a certain duration, like about 20 or 30 seconds,
forget that
they actually forget. Yeah, they actually forget that their selection is actually this one, and they actually select this card. So what you do is after
so
talking,
have to convince them that this is the place from where it is cut, right? You will say that okay.
You
so
don't. No. You don't have to convince them. It's just a simple force. After you have kept the card over here,
okay, I will have to say them, right, that you have cut it from here.
Yeah, you have just have to say it, but after you have just talked to them for a while, they will actually forget that this is their card, and they will think that this is their actual selection. So after it's done, you know you have forced the 10 of hearts and they are going to select the 10 of hearts. And that was also the thing that I actually told you at first, that you are going to take a picture of the 10 of hearts from the beginning.
When you unlock it, you just see that it is just matching the card. Okay, so that is the secret. Okay.
Yeah, that is the actual secret of how you can do this phone prediction, smartphone prediction magic trick.
Okay, so I can do it with any phone, right?
You can do it with any phone. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card trick as well as a smartphone magic trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shoel_Zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to follow Obhirup Bhattacharya on Instagram at Obhirup_the_showman. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.